Hi, I'm Elizabeth St. Hilaire and welcome to my studio. I'm super excited to let you know that I have a brand new online workshop called Botanical Gel Printing. We're going to be printing with plant material, but in addition to that, we're also going to experiment with some feathers, some twine, some stencils, and some fun layering. I'm going to teach you how to use a print registration tool that will keep all of your layers completely in line, meaning that you can put the ghost print back into your original print in exactly the same place. I'm going to show you how to crop the prints and display them on wood panels or in a journal or a notebook. I'm going to show you how to layer with translucent colors, how to use opaque colors, and how to combine techniques. We're going to do some tissue overlays onto ephemera backgrounds, neutral gel prints, and then we're going to embellish those overlays. There are tons of lessons in this workshop. This workshop is going to publish 2 modules a week on Mondays and Fridays for 4 weeks, a total of 8 modules. But each module is full of multiple video lessons. So I encourage you to visit the sign up page. I'm going to put that link below so you can click on it and you can go through the entire itinerary, see the supply list and the dates of the workshop, and you can even register. I can't wait to see you online.